Omar Fancy Pigeon Loft, New York flights. Had to show y'all a couple of my New York flights. They have been a gift. So I just been taking good care of them. And I have 2 of them on eggs so far. So I'm expecting 4 little squeakers. So I'm so excited just to see the colors. Because you know I'm a color person. Love the colors. So like, share, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what you like for me to post on the birds. Although, so going to have my own family of birds, so that's the process I'm doing now. So just like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned. God bless.